Like, what more can you ask for? It's amazing. Nobody else does that. What I would share with that individual, honestly, is the easiness of how By Referral Only creates it. Not only do they give you the blueprint, not only do they give you the structure to operate your business in, they do all the mail outs, the postcards, they give you the templates, everything, and they still know that you're not going to do it consistently. So they do it for you. Like, what more can you ask for? It's amazing. Nobody else does that. They go, here's a template, here's how you do it, now go do it. And you might do it the first, second, third, fourth time, but eventually you don't have the consistency. And that's what I lack, is the consistency. But having the peace of mind that knowing every month my clients are taken care of because I pushed a button, it doesn't get any better than that. It's beautiful. So there's only one other company that I am, super stoked about. I'm a raving fan about, and that's Apple. When it comes to support and service, nobody beats these guys. And you guys are right beside them. Right beside them. I love it. The level of service that I've received over BRO over the past 20 years, the structure, and most of all, their business philosophy, their business values are very much in line with my own personal values and goals. And that's what makes it work so nice. I'm not a transaction-based agent, nor do I want to be honest with you. I'm a relationship-based agent, and BRO gives me the tools, the scripts to access that language so I can use it with my clients. I love it.